A great weekend, but we did manage to see a little sliver of sunshine here and there. A couple of spots managed to see at least limited doses of the sun. And here's a picture from the tail end of our Sunday. It was otherwise a gray, breezy, and slightly unsettled day. We had some drizzle even last evening, but here's a picture from Southwest Rochester. One of our viewers, Ed Laskowski, sent this picture, and there it is, the sun. Yeah, visual confirmation that it did in fact break through the clouds for a time, at least in some spots. I personally didn't see any sun, but it was good to see that picture there. Showers now edging the way into Rochester from the west, reaching Southwest Rochester and the bulk of the Med City here in the next 15 or 20 minutes. Showers extend to the west, all the way back to Mankato, up toward New Ulm in the northwest. All that's going to be sweeping eastward with more showers rotating in from the west to northwest around a storm system that's centered to our north. Not moving anywhere anytime quickly, and it's going to be with us impacting the area through today, tomorrow, and really even a big chunk of Wednesday with not just rain showers, but some winds and clouds and unseasonably cool weather. But right now looking at gray skies, looking toward the arrival of those showers, at least dry for the time being. That's near the bell tower. Right now in CC Heights in northwest Rochester. Showers will be with us. They will keep things cool. We were in the 50s yesterday. We've been in the 40s ever since, low 40s since midnight, even briefly 39. Now 41 on the weather patio. The wind's kind of brisk out of the northwest at 9 miles per hour, 33 the wind chill here at the studio in northwest Rochester. At the airport, it's 41, Austin now 45, Mason City 43, and Decorah 39. So seasonably cool this morning, but don't look for a big rise in temperatures. We're going to stick with the clouds, the showers, and increasingly gusty west winds. All these elements making for kind of an unpleasant day, really, to start the week. 41 right now in Rochester. It feels like 33 officially. West winds 14 miles per hour. Showers edging the way in. There's going to be more and more of that going on, especially on the Minnesota side of the border. This will be by far the wetter side as that system is centered to our north, and rotating activity will continue to keep things unsettled at times. A cold front will come through, and that's really to shave off even a few degrees. Today we'll top out in the low 50s. Tomorrow, barely 40s. For our Tuesday, by far the coldest day of the week. Showers moving through, spotty activity, drizzle, sprinkles, showers, especially on the Minnesota side of the border. We'll watch that in future track. High-res computer modeling through today, the afternoon, and even through tonight into the evening hours anyway. Things will taper off for a time at right around midnight, and then we'll see activity fire up again by early morning tomorrow with the backside of the system generating some rain showers and even some snow maybe mixing in at times. A trace amount, nothing to shovel, but there will be some snowflakes here and there. 41 in Rochester, Fargo 40, it's 37 in International Falls, and 45 in Green Bay. Light showers today, raw winds, temperatures barely getting into the 50s. Tomorrow only low 40s, rain and snow showers, and by the time we get to Wednesday, a little drier. Add on a couple degrees, and then eventually decent rounds of sun by the end of the week. But 39 for that morning commute, a few sprinkles at times and periods of rain. That's going to keep temperatures down a bit. 40s at first, 50 by 3 o'clock. Overall high temperature today around 51, which is about 5 degrees below the seasonal average, about as warm as we're going to be for a big part of the week, actually, unfortunately, easing back into the 30s later tonight. Storm system takes its time moving on to the north and east. Showers wrapping around that. They'll be with us through today, this evening. And then again, developing for tomorrow morning. By mid-morning, I'll have some snow showers rotating in from the northwest and maybe even a couple of sprinkles mixing with that. But that's basically what we're facing tomorrow. Drier weather by the time we get to Wednesday, but still very little in the way of sunshine. We get to Thursday and Friday, we'll tack on a couple degrees and start seeing something a little closer to what we expect in mid-April levels. Maybe a spotty sprinkle also on Saturday if the system that grazes us to the south and west. So we'll keep an eye on that. Otherwise, things do improve after the early part of the week. Temperatures certainly getting better by the time we get to the weekend. A little more like April with those 50s instead of the 40s. But 51 today in Rochester, 52 in Austin, and 50 in Winona. Spotty showers and raw winds at times reaching 25, maybe 30 miles per hour late morning and afternoon. Breezy tonight, some light showers in the evening, 33 overnight. 7-day forecast will have some increasing rounds of sun after this early week storm system and a slight chance of showers on Saturday. The weekend at least looking a little more seasonable with those 50s.
What is that song by the Carpenters, Rainy Days and Mondays?
Yeah, it's going to be one of those, unfortunately.